Now you must be wondering, what am I doing here? Into this open area, what's happening, right? So let me tell you guys, I'm coding Python. Don't be shocked about it. It is real and it can happen. And it's easy, I'll tell you how. But before that, welcome guys to College Finder. It's me, your tutor Kaustubh, and you'll be seeing me in upcoming Python session. So guys, what do you know about data science? Even if you don't know, don't worry about it. We are here to help you out. Data science is an emerging field and College Finder will take you from beginner level to mastery. Well, the best part about Python and data science is you don't need to sit inside a cubicle and code. You can code it anywhere. Like I am doing it. I'm loving this nature. I'm coding it right now. I'm trekking. I got this time. I'm coding it right now. That's so easy. And guys, let me tell you, you must be wondering, is there any eligibility? Am I eligible or not? Do I need a BTech degree? Absolutely not. You all are eligible. There is no eligibility criteria. Anyone who wants to make a career in data science and anyone who wants to transition their career in data science, both are eligible. And we as a College Finder team, will help you get through that goal. And I know you can do it, guys. I have faith in you. There are no heavy lines of code, they are just simple algorithms. Right, guys? So I'll see you in the data science journey. Now my colleague Afsha will brief you about this induction session.
Welcome to the Data Science Training Plus Internship. My name is Afsha and I am from College Finder. I'll be guiding you through the details and timeline of the internship. College Finder has been the most adored college catalog among students all over India. Students can utilize College Finder as one-stop website to know details like available courses, available branches, approvals, alumni reviews, and more about their dream colleges. To improve the way towards getting admission, we have admission inquiry form handy. College Finder has the archive of over 40,000 colleges sorted into various categories like engineering, management, medical, arts and more. Under College Finder, we have CF trainings. CFT provides you industry standard internships, courses and training at unbelievable pricing. So instead of spending tens of thousands on a course, you can get a similar thing for fraction of the cost. So now, coming back to the training, this is a complete 60 days data science training and internship program in which you will be taught by international mentors who are specific experts of their fields. It doesn't matter if you're from a non-IT background or never programmed before, because we are going to start from the beginning. We'll be covering some of the latest tools and technologies like Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, R, SQL, Python, Excel, and much more. Don't worry if you don't know about all these tools. By the end of this course, you'll feel very comfortable putting these on your resume. As a student of this course, you're going to be saving yourself a lot of time because instead of having to deal with outdated or incomprehensible tutorials, you now get access to a fully up-to-date curriculum where you'll be trained from the beginner level. The course will have separate modules for different topics, and after completing the modules, you will receive projects based on what you've learned. The projects will have explanation videos to guide you through. The modules of the course will be counted towards the training, whereas the projects you do will get counted as the internship. So you get two different certificates for that. The certificate of internship as well as the certificate of training. We will try to teach you everything a data science specialist is expected to know. We make you work on industry standard data science projects. You can walk into interviews and get an advantage over the other applicants there. In addition to that, a certificate of distinction is provided to the best performers based on various factors. You can add that in your resume as an achievement. If you want to get one, make sure you get good marks in the quiz. Submit all the projects, participate in the contests, and also actively help other interns as the group and forums. Participating in the batch leader selection will surely increase your chances of getting a distinction certificate. Feel free to post your queries in the Q&A section of the course. You can also get access to multicultural and diverse forum which will allow you to interact with other students of similar interests. You can visit the forum to resolve your doubts and improve your communication skills. You will be having a batch leader contest after 10 days of training, in which you have to complete a few tasks which will be shared to you in the forum or through email. One of the tasks is to create an explanation video on any projects you like. The video should compulsorily have screen recording and your voice narration, and optionally you can add a face cam video to it. You can then upload the video on YouTube and share the link on your LinkedIn profile. And don't forget to tag College Finder. So now, the first task after registration of your training and internship is to add an experience on your LinkedIn profile. Here are the steps for that. Go to your LinkedIn profile, click on Add section, go to the background and add work experience. Here you can add the title as intern, add the employment type as internship, select your company as College Finder. In the location field, as you are working from home, you should enter your own city. In the start date, enter your 2 months batch duration. You can also update your headline. After doing that, you have to cautiously fill up the registration form, the link to which will be sent to you in the forum as well as on your registered email. And you're all set to start the training. You will get all details for the dashboard access on your registered email as well as the forum. So, make sure you join the channels and groups using the links provided in the video description. That's all for this video. See you in the course. Thank you.